got an easy mod that I'm excited to do for my interior to help clean this up a little bit. I got the console delete kit so I can get rid of this junk, and dash can then be straight across like a GT3, like a race car, like older cars. Let's clean it up some, because that was never even in there. So try to pick up where I left off yesterday. Try to get my new console delete in, get that mess out. Well, light on, we can see what's going on. This OG radar detector just wired in here all. That makes me nervous to mess with it. Let's get this out of there. Something's still grabbing hold of this thing. I gotta figure it out and get this whole thing. Whoop. There's 2 more torque screws hiding in the back, so yeah, now in this rat's nest of wiring that I've uncovered in my car, which is a nightmare. I'm gonna disconnect my CD player and I can pull this thing out. So now that I've made a mess, see if I can get the CD player out of this, and maybe, hopefully, I can get this guy in here. Hopefully. Unfortunately, I don't think the CD player is coming out of this guy anytime soon. So probably gonna be rocking Bluetooth speaker. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And sad to say, it'll probably sound a whole lot better than the 20-year-old junk that's in here. So just whatever, we're gonna make it work. What the fuck? I just pulled this out from underneath my switch panel down inside here. This business card from Eric's Card Care. Another quick find bonus. Found this little bad boy down inside there too, so I can fill in my blank. Alright, plan B, since this cable routes all the way back here, I don't know what it's for. We're gonna basically just break this guy. Since it's trash anyway, I'm just gonna crack it in half and let the cable slip through. Easy peasy. Free. We need to clean this rat's nest up some and try to get back together. Alright, round 2. Try to get this thing wrapped up this afternoon. Got the old console pulled out, got this wiring mess cleaned up a little bit. Started getting the center console unscrewed because it needs to come up to be able to slide this underneath. This guy out. Look at how sloppy this is. Yuck. Good thing, hopefully soon, I'm trying to buy a 997.1 GT3 shifter assembly and whatnot off of my buddy Ed over here at Bolt City. Yeah, shout out to Ed. That'll take care of this sloppy nonsense I have here. So let's get this guy out of here and let's get the center console out. Boom. There we go. So, got to do a little modifying. So in order for this guy to go on, you got to drill these holes out just a little bit so that they slide over the posts that are already in there, the stud rather, and that way it just sits right in. So let's do that. It is just plastic too, so it's nothing. In there. In. Alright, so I'm gonna somewhat reassemble things. Probably gonna leave this open so that I can change that out easier when the time comes. I'm gonna make a little cover for this since they didn't give me one. Probably gonna ditch this. I'll put the knob back on for the time being. But get rid of that. And let's get all this back together. This will go next time. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm going to put the factory shift knob back on. Well, I'm going to look for a better one. And I got an 8-ball shifter that I've been hoarding since I was like 13, wishing I had something to put on. Well, I mean, but no, this thing's great. I'm super pumped with how this looks. So much cleaner, so much room for my long legs. Like, looks awesome. Feels more race car. I mean, it's just, look at that. Would you look at that? Hopefully I can get some more nice, easy mods like that going. I want to get some springs on order so I get this thing lower to the ground. Get some suspension refreshing going on. That shifter upgrade. I want to do some motor mounts. Got a pretty healthy list to get on. So watch out for those.